Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina and in this today's video I'm gonna show you guys some makeup and skincare hauls. This is my first YouTube video, so if I say something wrong then please forgive me and please keep on watching. So these are the stuff I got from Nykaa. All these are makeup and skincare stuff and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So now let's start with skincare, right? So the first thing I got for my skincare is this moisturizer. This moisturizer is from Pond's and it's really nice moisturizer. And the next thing I got is also a moisturizer. This is from Biotic Morning Nectar. Actually I had ordered like toner, but I accidentally ordered this, so I'm gonna order that again. So the next thing I ordered is this, not a skincare like, but this is a hair care. This is the Indulekha Bringa hair cleanser. Actually recently I am having very much like hair fall, so like I really wanted to try this out. So yeah, let me see it works or not. If it works then I will definitely suggest to you guys also. So yeah, so now let's move on to the makeup, like makeup stuff. So yeah, so the first thing I got for makeup is this Swiss Beauty highlighting primer. I have heard such a good review about this product, so I really wanted to get it. So I finally got this. This primer is really nice. Today I use this primer on my face and yeah, it's really gives some glow. This primer is actually a highlighting primer. Like it will give you glow, like it has some shimmer on it. So yeah, let me show you how it looks. The packaging is really nice. It's have like a glass. This is totally glass, yeah. And it just uh, I forget to mention all the price, but I'm gonna leave the link of all the product in the description box below, so if you want to buy it then you can check it out. So yeah, this primer is really nice. If you want like highlighting primer, I will definitely suggest you to go for it. So the next things I got is this Faces Canada makeup setting spray, and yeah, today I use this for the first time and I think it works so nicely. It make my base look so dewy and like moisturize my skin also. So yeah, if you have a dry skin or if you like hydrating makeup setting spray, then I will definitely suggest you this. Really nice primer, and all of the products I got in sale, so you can also check it out in Nykaa. When it's sale you can get all this stuff in very affordable price. So yeah, so the third item I got is this blush. This blush is from Wet n Wild and this is in the shade porcelain pink. Sorry for my dog is like barking. So yeah, this blush is really nice guys. I use it today and look, it's really beautiful. So yeah, you can definitely check this out. Let me show you how it looks. This really nice. This blush is really nice. And the next thing is this highlighter. This highlighter is from Maybelline, and this is in the shade rose gold molten. If you have a like fair to medium skin, then this highlighter is really nice for you. This also come in two range, golden and rose gold. If you have a fair or like fair and medium skin, then you should check this out. This highlighter is really nice. And the next thing is this lip tint. This is from Face Shop. Yeah, Face Shop lip tint. This lip tint is really nice and it will give you nice natural finish. If you like natural makeup, like if you don't like to put some blush and like lipstick at all, if you like natural makeup, so you should definitely check this out. This tint is really nice. I think this cost me like 500, yeah, but you can get this always in sale. So yeah, now let's move to the eyes. I also ordered some stuff for my eye makeup. So yeah, the first thing I got is this Nikake eyeshadow palette, and this palette is in watermelon splash. This palette is really nice and I use it today, and it's quite pigmented and very cheap also. Let me show you. All the shades are so beautiful, and if you like a peachy makeup look and if you like a peachy eyes, then you should definitely go for this. This only cost me 300 and these are really pigmented palettes. So yeah, if you want to invest something on good palette, then you should definitely check this out. So the next thing is also the eyeshadow palette, and this one is from Swiss Beauty. This palette is also really nice and this is in the shade 02. Yeah, this is in the 02. Let me show you guys. See, This palette has like some neutrals and like a pinky, yeah, pink color. So if you like a neutral or the pink eyeshadow makeup look, so you should definitely check this out. I really like this palette for like a neutral makeup or like natural makeup, and these are really good, and these are really pigmented palettes. So yeah, it just cost me like 180 or something, so yeah, it's quite affordable also. Yeah, this palette, these two palettes actually, the both palette are really nice and really good and very affordable. So if you are looking for like some eyeshadow palette, then you can definitely check this out. These two are really nice palette. So the last thing for this haul is this Streaks highlighting kit. Actually, I was planning to color my hair, so I got this one. I don't know how it turn out, but if I did color my hair, then I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna make it a video. So yeah, let me try this. Like finally I have courage, finally I have taken a lot of time and like a lot of courage to do this. But yeah, I'm gonna color my hair like for the first time. I've never colored my hair before, so yeah, it's really exciting for me. So yeah, I'm very excited. So I think that's it for today video. These are all the stuff I got like for my makeup and skincare, and all the products are really affordable. And if you want to buy this product, I will make sure that I will link all the product in the description box below, so you can check it out. And yeah, thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching. And yeah, this is my first video. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys like my video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will means a lot to me, and many more contents are coming soon. So like I'm gonna make blogs and everything I can do, so challenging videos. So, and if you want to join me in this journey, then please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.